Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make all pictures the same size in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Then click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture, then we copy the picture and paste in place. Now click the first picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option. Then choose in front of text. Then again apply this process the second picture. Then click the first picture and go to the format menu, then write the height and weight. Now we can see here we make all pictures the same size very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.